Namaste. My name is Sahara Rose, and welcome to the Daily Insight. Today, I will be guiding you through a meditation to remember your Dharma. Most of us go through life not questioning what our purpose is. We play by the rules, do the things we're supposed to do, but sometimes end up still feeling unfulfilled. If you ask most people what their life purpose is, they simply have no idea. We want to be happy, but really happiness is a byproduct of living in alignment with your purpose. Your Dharma is your soul's essence. It's the big reason why you are here. It's you in your highest expression. Your Dharma is not confined to any one career or role or job, but rather it is the vibration that only you can carry on this planet. Though right now you may think, I'm not sure what my Dharma is, your soul knows. Discovering your Dharma is not about going somewhere and finding something, but rather it is about going within. You already know your Dharma. What we are going to do now is help you remember. This takes unraveling, unlearning, unconditioning, letting go of everything you are not, so you can step into who you truly are. So in this meditation, I'll be beginning a series of sentences that I'd like your intuition to complete. Don't think about them too long or too hard. Just go with the first thought that comes along. Are you with me? Let's do this. I invite you to take a comfortable seat and close your eyes and just connect with your breath. Becoming aware of any sensations in your body, any sounds around you, any thoughts chirping in your mind. Tell them, I see you, I hear you, I'll come back to you when the time is right. Right now, my work is to go inward. And now, let's consciously breathe together. Breathing in 7 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and hold. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Repeat this pattern on your own. And repeat this mentally or out loud, calling in the part of me that knows. And now I will begin a series of sentences that I would like your intuition to complete. What makes me happy is... I'm interested in... I'm curious about... I'm good at... I love to... I help others by... I've gone through... I can serve by... I was born to... I am ready to... My Dharma is... Coming back to your breath, noticing where you are in time and space, connecting to your physical form, allowing movement in your fingers, your toes, and when you are ready, slowly peering open your eyes, allowing the light to penetrate through, and taking a notebook or your phone and writing down all of the realizations that came through. Your soul knows the answers that your mind is seeking. All it takes is to simply tune in and listen. Thank you so much for sharing this practice with me. Namaste.